Namaste, my name is Rul Simra, I'm International Meditation Master. Today I want to speak about brain health, the root of healing. Why depression, Parkinson, Alzheimer's and epilepsy are rising while IQs decline. Your brain is like a high-performance battery and its power depends on three key factors: spinal alignment, proper wiring; oxygen, nutrition, clean food; stress management, system maintenance. No? So the same as the spine-brain connection. Poor posture, reduced spinal motions, weak brain stimulation. Makes sense. No? Hump neck, text neck, epidemic. 50% of phone users now have forward head posture, risking herniated disc and brain dysfunction. You see it everywhere. Solution: chiropractic care, physiotherapy and daily stretching. I reverse severe scoliosis and hump neck. You can too. When you have a humpback and not a straight, you have to make everything together. And my spine is quite straight. Okay, a little bit, but it's not too much. Feed your brain right. Your brain consumes 90% of your oxygen, 30% of your calories. 90% of your oxygen, think it over. Junk food is brain sabotage. Processed food is chemical stress or brain fog. Heavy fatty meals, energy diverted to digestion, mental fatigue. Because the liver has to work very hard, and then 70% of the energy is burned in the liver. Eat like your mind depends on it. Plant-based, fresh salads, fruits, no white sugar. Then the triple stress attack. Stress type causes brain impact. When you have fear, for instance, stress is mainly fear and anger and so on. Physical, poor posture, inactivity and reduced neural signaling. Emotional anxiety, trauma, cortisol overload, for sure. And then chemical, bad digestion, toxins, inflammation. Okay. So, real life case. Just 3 days ago, I sent a 40-year-old woman to the hospital with heart failure, blue face, oxygen starvation, the preventable culmination of chronic stress and poor self-care. It can also kill you. A healthy lifestyle is today an absolute must. With 48 years. Okay. Movement is medicine. Bionetics shaking releases trapped emotions. I've seen depressed women break through numbness to healing tears. When you cry, you relax and let go of all the things what bothered you before. Punching bags. Managers use this to convert anger into creativity. Jogging, the simple stress reducer. Kundalini meditation, Osho's method to awaken stuck energy. It's just so simple. No? Digital detox for neural reset. Constant phone use is hump neck, spinal misalignment and brain starvation. Prescriptions 30 minutes daily without screen to let your nervous system recover. 30 minutes is absolute minimum. Your brain health checklist. Stand tall. Your posture changes your mindset. Does I sit so? No, I stand tall or sit totally straight. Eat clean, plants over processed food-like substance. Move daily from stretching to sweating. Release emotions, cry, punch, dance, don't bottle up. Crying is the best relaxation technique. Adjust your spine. See a chiropractor if you are glued to your phone. Why this matters? When you fool right, move right, think right by reducing stress, what happens? Life transforms from survival mode to thriving mode. The choice is yours. One meal, one stretch, one deep breath at a time. Your brain is your greatest asset. Treat it like royalty. Thank you that I could speak about this, and bye.